Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: an active DITO SIM with a 5G plan and a 5G capable phone. First, back up important settings and contacts so you can restore if needed. Next, power down, insert the SIM firmly, then boot and disable Wi-Fi to force the phone onto the carrier network. Once connected, open network settings and set preferred network to 5G or 5G/4G auto. This ensures your device attempts 5G registration immediately. Now you configure APN and radio behavior so 5G can attach reliably. Enter the APN parameters exactly as provided by DITO. Save and select that profile. Then use the phone's field test or hidden network menu to prioritize NR/5G bands if available, which helps in areas with mixed coverage. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 5-10 seconds, turn it off, and perform a full reboot to force fresh network registration and clear stale connections. Finish by validating. Check for the 5G icon and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you still don't get 5G, make sure the SIM activation completed on DITO backend and that APN entries match exactly. Also confirm your area has 5G coverage and the phone supports local NR bands. One key troubleshooting tip: if registration fails after these steps, swap the SIM into a known working 5G phone to isolate device versus account issues before contacting support with IMEI and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.